Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I'll be presenting the methods of the Philippine National Police in dealing with the crime analysis within the organization. The Philippine National Police initiated a program or a system which helps to have an accurate, timely submission of crime information or data in the field of investigation. Given the magnitude and volume of incidents reported daily in the police stations, the procedure in recording crimes vary from police station to another. Stations formerly were devising their own recording system which differs from the practice of other stations. Hence, in order to establish a uniform procedure for crime reporting and analysis, PNP has developed the PNP Next Generation Investigation Solution, otherwise known as E-Project, to be adopted by all police units in treating with reports of crime incidents, crime records, arrest, and other events or police activities. According to the work of Wayne Patrick, there are different types of applied criminal analysis. One of them is crime analysis. Crime analysis is a law enforcement function that involves a systematic analysis for identifying and analyzing patterns and trends in crime and disorder. Information on patterns can help law enforcement agencies deploy resources in a more effective manner and assist detectives in identifying and apprehending suspects. Crime analysis also plays a vital role in devising solutions to crime problems and formulating crime prevention strategies. Quantitative social science data analysis methods are part of the crime analysis process, though qualitative methods such as examining police reports narratives also play a vital role. Shown on the screen is the sequence of my presentation relative to the PNP Next Generation Investigation Solution or PNP projects. The first item is the Crime Information Reporting Analysis System, otherwise known as CIRAS. The next is the Crime Information Database Management System or CIDMS. Another is the Case Management and Analysis System or CMAS. Next is the PNP eSubpoena. Another is the eRogue. And next is the eWarrant. And the last is the references used in coming up with this report. The PNP projects or PNP Next Generation Investigation Solution sets a standard procedure by which all crime incidents are reported to the police stations and stored electronically in a database system. It is capable of filtering non-crime data from the system, thereby accounting for a more accurate crime statistics. Accordingly, the system promotes consistency in the recording of crime incidents and providing easy access on crime data nationwide. This crime data shall be the working basis for policies and programs on various anti-criminality measures. Shown in the screen is the enhanced eBlatter or CIRAS. It will be interfaced with Geographic Information System or GIS to evolve into a qualitative crime analysis management tool. CIRAS will also be able to incorporate or access data from different e-projects of the PNP. This modification of the eBlatter system will enhance the ability of the field commanders to conduct qualitative crime analysis more efficiently and more accurately. The core objective of CIRAS is to serve as a scientific management tool for efficient and effective prescription of police intervention. It provides a logical basis for effective and efficient police intervention. It overlays other data sets, localities, EORs, critical facilities and infrastructures, troop deployment and movement, and others. It also built a robust IT infrastructure to support the entire system. It specifically serves as the crime database specifically on crime hotspots areas along with other trends and patterns. It uses the spatial and a time series analysis. Shown is the website for the eBlatter system or the CIRAS. Likewise, shown on the screen is the blatter procedure process in the police stations. The duty complainant and duty investigator review the summary details of the incident. The duty investigator stores data into the system and prints incident report form or IRF. Duty investigator or complainant signed the IRF and give one copy to the complainant. The desk officer transcribed the complete details of the report incident into the blatter book. In the PPO, district, and city police offices, they can view the data encoded by police stations and can generate reports, verify and search and print the IRF. Likewise, in the police regional offices, they can view the data encoded by their subordinate units under their EOR, can generate reports, verify and print the IRF. The DIDM in the national headquarters of the Philippine National Police will be the administrator of this project and can view data from all police regional offices. The next slide shows the second PNPE project, which is the Crime Incident Database Management System. The CIDMS is a visual intelligence analysis environment that can optimize the value of massive amount of information, allowing the analysis to quickly collate, analyze, and visualize complex data from different sources. The Case Information Database Management System is not just a repository of case folders. It is the investigators' digital notebook and database system used to monitor cases initially under the Task Force OSIG, which was developed by TMS and first used by the CIDG. The next project is the E-Project or the Case Management Analysis System or the CMAS. The Case Management Analysis System utilizes the I2 Analyst Notebook, which analyzes data information for the timely dissemination of information to the operating or field units. It is an IT solution designed to help investigators in the management and analysis of investigative data. Shown is the sample of a screenshot on how the CMAS works. On the next slide is the e-subpoena system. One of the PNP projects or NGIS. The e-subpoena was developed through the memorandum agreement signed between the Philippine National Police, the Supreme Court, and the Department of Justice. It aims to have a cost-effective delivery of subpoenas and other court documents to the PNP units. Since everything is accomplished online, the cost of paper and courier is no longer a burden, while there will be no more delays and the records are easily within reach. How it works. The judicial court will send the various subpoena to particular PNP units through email, and the COP shall ensure the document are delivered and received on time. The crime register shall include details of the subpoena for its compliance in the court duties monitoring. The DIDM shall monitor all reports needed and prepare necessary reports to the Supreme Court. At present, there are 3 areas using the system: the Cebu, Quezon City, and Lapu-Lapu City. Some gaps were identified in the e-subpoena that we hope to be addressed. The GSCC decides on the rollout schedule of court personnel training and not PNP. That is why there are only 3 working areas using the e-subpoena system and the slow connectivity. The next project is the Aero Gallery system. The Aero Gallery system is an electronic database of mugshots of criminals and suspects that can be easily reached, viewed, retrieved for ready identification by the complainant. The AEROG is a web-based online database for the mugshots and other related data regarding arrested persons with or without warrant of arrest. The uploading of mugshots in the system is done after the booking process of the arrested person. The AEROG Gallery system will provide every police station in the country and access to data of criminals to include pictures that are in the files of police units in the country. Through the AEROG Gallery, for example, the records of an individual or suspect wanted for crimes in Quezon City can be instantly accessed by the police station in Butuan City with just a click of their fingers on the system. Unlike the e-blotter, which is a standalone system, the e-warrant system or AEROG Gallery system requires internet access or information highway for its implementation. Shown on the screen is the sample of the website for the AEROG Gallery system. The last e-project in the PNP is the e-warrant. The e-warrant is a system where all warrant of arrest will be electronically documented so that they can be accessed through computers. Developed by the team of information technology experts from the Information Technology Management System, or otherwise known as ITMS, and the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management, or DIDM. The e-warrant eliminates the hassle bagging snail mail system of delivering a warrant to a particular police station. The warrants accessed by the police through the system will facilitate the apprehension of criminals because a warrant can be sent by email, printed out, and served. The warrant, although not the original, but faithful digital copy thereof, will facilitate the apprehension of criminal because of the knowledge of the arresting officer that a warrant is pending for the arrest of the suspect. Next is the references used by the reporter in making this report. And that will be all. Thank you, and once again, good morning.